Let's get your GE Universal Remote working with your TCL Roku TV. The key is finding the right four-digit code. GE remotes work by sending infrared signals, and the code tells the remote how to talk to your specific TV. Common codes for TCL Roku TVs include 2891, 6171, 31A3, 1741, 1361, and even 0001. To program your remote, first turn on your TCL Roku TV. Then point the GE remote at the TV. Press and hold the Setup button until the indicator light stays on. Now enter one of the codes mentioned above. Start with 2891. Finally, test the remote by trying to change the channel or volume. If it doesn't work, repeat the process with another code from the list. If none of those work, your GE remote might have an auto search function. To use this, press the power button repeatedly while pointed at the TCL Roku TV and see if the TV turns off. If this works, the remote can control the TV. Newer TCL Roku TVs released after late 2024, running Roku TV software version 13.0 and later, are more likely to pair seamlessly, but older models may need a firmware update to ensure best compatibility for features like HDMI CEC. Make sure to check for TV software updates under Settings, System, Software Update if you are having trouble. Having trouble? First, ensure that there's a clear line of sight between the GE remote and your TCL Roku TV's IR sensor. Also, make sure your remote batteries are fresh. Low batteries are a common culprit. If the basic functions work, but you're missing access to Roku's streaming apps, remember that GE remotes are best for basic control. One other thing to note is interference from other IR devices can disrupt signals and cause issues. If you have an older GE remote, it might not fully support all the advanced features of newer TCL Roku TVs, particularly voice integration. Finally, be aware that universal remotes like GE are gradually being replaced by app-based and voice-controlled solutions. While GE remotes offer simplicity, trends indicate future smart TVs may adopt the Matter protocol for seamless integration, potentially reducing reliance on traditional IR remotes. Don't be afraid to use your Roku mobile app as a supplementary remote for advanced tasks.